underground artists together of all kinds. I don't care if you shoot movies. I don't care if you do pornos, man. Look, bring your... We got here, they shut it down. I want to thanks to my man Les for letting me do this, man. But yeah, I done got a hold of my first artist. And it looks like he goes by Trophy, man. Come on. Hey.
See this guy? Remember this guy. We're gonna get back to him.
Gotta put the paper first, my main concern. Keep doing what makes a hater learn. Off the bezel, it points north to the tip top. Even the mountains seem like pebbles. Stepping on instrumentals.
Putting this shit, I'm bringing the torch to light it up quick. Pressing the gas to make me a split. Bitches on smoke, I said, well, it's split. You know I'm in my bag with the rhythm on my voice. Got to play this shit back. Shake your ass, shake that back. Bump it on the heart attack.
When it comes to sugar, it's a whole lot of green. Lace calls, but up in here with the scene. Screen time, chillin', finna watch One Piece. Good smoking chips when I get them on G's.
Remember this guy? Slack Corners. I missed his set, so yeah.
Turn back the hands of time, it would be different. If we party every weekend, just to get you off my mind. Party every weekend, just to get you off my mind.
And that's Slack Corners.
Bring a friend, the shit ain't confidential. I tell her what I want, but she ain't got that shit no. I try to tell her right, but she ain't get it right. I think I'm never wrong, she say I'm never right.
Don't give a damn about how I look, cause I ain't scared of lead. I'm big league, I'm top shit, but I can take your bitch. See, I'm just trying to focus on my intuition. I'm just trying to focus on my intuition. I'm just trying to...
My name is Fabled Caddy, F-A-B-L-E-D, Caddy, K-A-R-I.
Alright, Tiana the Jump is coming to the next.
All I do is weed. No, I can't stop. Hey. Yeah.
So we got two different things going on. I'm gonna shut the fuck up after this, I swear to God.